Today I want to show you guys this automated espresso machine. Brand sent me to make video for you guys. As you can see, this is really nice, very compact unit. Doesn't take much space. It is just little less than my hand, you can see. So that is the size of it from the width, and the depth is like less than the arm, you can see. So really nice, very easy setup. All you have to do is just plug it in and just fill up the coffee beans and just fill up the water. So over here you have the bean section. It is on the little bit smaller side, but that is fine. You can see you can easily adjust the grinding. So there are two numbers, one from the bottom section, one from the top. If it's filled with coffee beans, so you don't have to just dig around, you can easily adjust the numbers from here. It is the same alignment, so you don't have to look through. If it's just show like this, it means it is on the 5. I know easily. So very easy to operate. You can see from 1 to numbers 15. So let's keep it around 5. So, and you also have bunch of information over here, some error codes if you need to refill the water, add beans, and so on. You have bunch of details over here. On the back you have this water container. It takes 1.5 liter, and you can little go, even if it says max. I tend to go just a little more up, so it works fine without any issues, but don't do that. So over here, very easy operation. You can see we have a bunch of buttons. You have double espresso option, you have single shot, and it has built-in steam mode. You can see you can easily steam, and you can make americano, and you can change the dose, whatever the grind. You can make it less or more. And again, same thing for the volume. That is for the extraction amount, for the milliliter, how much it dispense. You can change it very easily. And it has built-in like you can see, it just dump the grind. Once it finish, it will just dump inside this container, so that you can easily take this out. You can see it just comes off, and you can easily wash it. And it has this drip tray. You can see it just drips everything, whatever it needs to. And very easy operation. This goes up and down. You can see it can go up and down depending on your cup size. You can change it. So let's go ahead and make coffee and see how it works. So you can see for this cup I just needed to just pull it up a little bit. So I want the full extra volume. I'm just gonna go ahead and press double espresso, and we are going to see it will grind the beans. Once it's complete, you can see it, and it is on the silent sound. It's not too loud, not too silent, but it's still, I would say, it is on the lower side. This initial water, it just feels a little loud, and you can see I think I just needed to uh, grind little finer. It seems going faster, but that's an option. You can just try and see, depending on your bean type, you can just change it. So let's go ahead and do that. And I just change all the way down to 0. That might be another thing, but so let's go ahead and make another one. So right now it is dumping whatever it just made. It is dumping inside the thing. Once it finish, you will see the 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 buttons will show all the colors. Right now it only shows these, so it means it's still in progress. And we will see that it's gonna extract another shot. So this was the first shot. As I choose extra volume, you can see this dispense a lot. So once the machine is in progress, you cannot change the settings, so it will not allow you to change the size. You can see uh, this is going, it looks a little better, like the color actually. So once it stop, if you want to reduce the volume, then you can reduce the volume, but in the mid you cannot do that. So That's the thing. You can see right now it gave us double shot. It ran 2 times, and you can see the result is day and night, the difference. uh, the initial one, the grind sign was too coarse, I believe it just pour out, but you can see this has nice crema on top. You can see looks good. And if you just reduce the volume, that would even be even better. You can see it has lots of water inside now. So and you can see it just did the operation by itself. You don't have to touch, you don't need to clean up anything. It just did everything. It just dispensed the coffee grind, whatever it's left. It's just leaves it there. So let's go ahead and make milk as well. So I just grab the milk. So the way it works, you can see you can pull this. So in my case, I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. But before doing that, I would just want to show you guys how powerful this is. So once you press the steam option, you can see how much it's dispensing. It is really powerful. It just throws a lot of steam, so that is pretty good. So let's go ahead and do the milk. So I'm just gonna lower it. So the container, milk container, doesn't come with it. I had one in hand and I'm just using that. And if you have anything available, you can use it. And you can see it just forms really nicely and it heats up really quickly. You can see we already got some texture. I'm not really good at making the milk, but if you are professional, you know how to make better. You can see that's how it is. So it is pretty hot. I can't hold it anymore. So you can see you can easily take it out and just wipe it. So make sure to clean it nice and easy. And once you are done, you need to just clean it. I'm just gonna show you guys. Just press and just let it run. And you can see the milk. It's just I made it little too much bubble inside, but that's how it is. So once you are done, you just pour your milk. It's gonna be like cappuccino, not a latte, but you can see you make really nice milk with it as well. It provides decent heat and lots of uh, steam power. And the only thing uh, you cannot touch on the side as the machine produce steam. You can see once it starts producing steam, as it runs you might see steam coming out from the side because it's just making lots of steam. Or if you use the coffee right after it finish, you can see little bit steam coming out because it's just the way it's designed. And what's inside here, you can press and see. This is how you clean the head. Actually, you just pull this out and you can see you can easily wash it and just clean. You can see this is the head, so you can take out and clean it off nice and easy. And the way it just goes, you can see this clicks really easy. Once you are done, you just push it back and you are basically done with. Overall, this makes really nice delicious coffee. And you can see you have a bunch of options to choose from. Very easy to clean. You have a cleaning grinding option. It will just wash through the like, and if there is anything got stuck, it will just clean. And you have a bunch of cleaning option and it does really good job. For the price point, this provides lots of feature. I hope you guys found this useful.